lactose fermenter, and it is causing lots of acid production and gas. So the butt and the slant are both yellow. This one would be E. coli. This one is a salmonella, and the characteristics of the salmonella are that most of them produce some H2S, and in this case we are producing a slight amount of H2S, which shows as blackening in this tube. And you'll notice that the butt is yellow and the slant is red because it is a glucose fermenter and not a lactose fermenter. And in this case here, we have Salmonella paratyphi B, and it also is a glucose fermenter, a non-lactose fermenter. But in this case, it is producing a lot of H2S, causing basically the whole tube to turn black, but you can see a little bit of red in the slant. And if you look carefully at the bottom of the tube, there's a little bit of gas down there.
And how long were these tubes incubated?
Overnight, but they've been sitting at room temperature for a day.
All right, that's why they're pretty heavy.
Well, this one was actually overnight. That's how it is overnight. The next one I'm going to show you is Shigella, which is also a glucose fermenter, a non-lactose fermenter. And in this case, we can see the yellow butt and red slant, and that is typical reaction for the Shigellas. And in this case, we have a Proteus, which is a sucrose fermenter, and there's a lot of sucrose in the TSI agar, and that's why you're getting full coverage of well, you can't say it, but the acid production, but the H2S production is overtaking everything in the tube, and it's black. The whole tube is black, basically, excepting for a little bit of red in the slant, which you can see if you look carefully.